Welcome or welcome back to my channel, my Spartans. It's your girl, Miss Savage Fenty herself, Helen of Troy. Today's vlog, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to the Savage X store in real life. Hashtag Savage X in real life. Wearing Savage Fenty, of course. I got this last year and I'm wearing it with these ones that I got as well for Christmas last year. For my Jamelia, of course. And if you saw my last video, you saw that I did my nails. I'm taking this purse because it's my favorite purse and it's kind of neutral, goes with everything, and it's big enough to take the vlog, you guys, with me. So by the time I get there, it's gonna be dark because, you know, daylight savings. And I just did a quick bun because we're gonna be doing our hair later on. So not later on today, but like in another video. So I'm so excited. Hopefully I can find something there that I want / need, which is I'm just going for like to see the store and if they have like sports sets and just for the experience, you know. So let's go and get to the store. So I just finally arrived. Guys, so I just got here. The store is literally right on my face. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's go inside. I got the invite and then I didn't get to come on time. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh. So that's my outfit, guys. So I'm here at the sports section. I've just been taking pictures. About this top, I have the red one. I feel like it's too big. Like, at least for me, like extra small would have been better. But for some reason, like, it just fits me like. So yeah, I was just like. Okay. So yes. For me, it's like a little too.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but like I love it. But I wish she would have came out with like a smaller size for it. I don't know. I'm seeing that burgundy color because I have the purple one. I just got like a lavender one recently. These are like the tops. You guys don't have the color. These colors. Bando, where?
Check in the back so we have any.
I think I'm gonna do these in a small. Right? I know I'm a robe girly. Oh, then yeah. Yeah.
After you leave, yeah.
Oh. So like if I see something here that you guys try. Also wanted this one and I never got it. I like purple. So.
That's my favorite. I like the lavender like flannel set that they have.
Oh my god, don't tell me.
I don't know, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you don't have it in store.
I was telling them like I wish that they had like what's in store, like so you know. I know the stores are new, so they're probably still working on that.
Right. Pay up. Online exclusives. And it's like, oh, give it to us.
Right. This weekend.
I literally wore that
cream one the other day. Got rid of my red hair, so I don't even know if I want red. And I already have a red two-piece. That color, I think I have. Super fancy, guys, because it tells you the price. It tells you the price of the items that you're buying on the screen. I'll show you in a second. So, what do you think? This is super cute. So bandeau and short set. Extra small. No, extra small and small. I think I could do a small, honestly. A small in the shorts. And then this is how it shows everything like in the screen. So cute. And then you could request like, I think I have extra small. I don't know, they have a small. Let me see if she could bring it out. So I requested the shorts in a small. So I have a small and a small because the shorts were a little too tight. Yeah. I'm gonna try on the boxers. Oh, this is not cute. The shorts with the sneakers and the bandeau. Like, these boxers. The men's boxers eat every time. This is like, this focuses. Okay. So the men's boxers, I love them. Extra small in those. This is like my third pair of boxers. And I put the sneakers on because they're purple. I feel like walking out like this, but it's kind of cold. That's why that dress is perfect for right now. I'm about to go check out, guys.
So you're spending over $100.
Which is a small. No, extra small, so not that one.
So you're literally the one that you buy.
That's my stuff all over. You know, I have I think it is seamless. It's a bodysuit, and yeah, and it's like that like forest greenish color. And tell me why I got Fenty lip gloss on it. I'm gonna try, but like, oh yeah, they've been lost, girl. They trying to do something.
Okay. Gotta steal.
Should I grab something else? It's like, you had other bandos. Hold on, let me go over here. Nah, those boxers. Oh, I tried it on like with the stuff on. I was like, let me put the sneakers on real quick. Just what? Do you have the bandeau in this color?
School. Yeah, they really have the whole school.
So I could do it in my little reel, because this is for YouTube and Vlogmas. So
I got her the halter and like the little jacket.
For Christmas, or
yeah, for Christmas.
Did she open it already?
She ain't opened it yet. But when she came in, she was eyeing it. She was like,
angle's better. I think this is cute. Instead of like extra small, it's so cute. Maybe I should have got extra small in that, but I was like, you know what? I kind of like how it fits, because that was a small too, right? Yeah. Some not extra small no more. That was my bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. I couldn't on my phone. No? It doesn't work with the phone? No?
yeah, our system's kind of old.
She was like, let's just open the store, we figure that stuff later.
You really? Do you want
to send me a survey?
Hopefully.
What's
I
your
mean,
name?
it's random. So like maybe the colleges are gonna have nobody.
I have to have both.
Do you want to take the
Oh, yeah, let's put everything in there.
regardless. Okay. It was great to see you again.
What was your name?
Cat.
Kat. Thank you. Oh, guys. So cute. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what was your favorite outfit. If you guys want me to go back, hopefully they invite me to a Savage party and to be an ambassador. I know this video about to do some numbers, so make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I keep forgetting to do the outro, but Vlogmas is like draining me, but we gonna get there.